He's probably down here. Angel, Angel, where are you? Angel, where are you? Oh, there you are. We need to go back. We need to make it back to the other island. Is the Sorn. Let's go. No. What? Why not? This is where I belong. I need to learn how to hunt here. That is good for you, but still. We need to go back home. We will make it. Robert thinks we're gonna die, and who's Robert? Is it my dad? Do you know my dad's name? What? No. I barely even know your brother. But still. Come on, we need to go. No. Yes. Come on. Uh-oh. I don't think we're gonna survive the dinosaur. What dinosaur? I'll tell you. But we need to make it up there. We're gonna die. Well, that's actually what Robert was saying. But still, I also think that we're gonna die. But we need to get up here. Come on, we need to make it up the waterfall. Now I know why they call it a waterfall. But come on, we need to go. Whoa,